Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a custom version of our DC-60T-UP-TERM-BAY uptimer. This order is going out to an automotive service center called Mecca Car Wash and Service Center, and it's going to keep track of how long the car has been in service for. The main thing that sets this model apart from our standard model is the seat channel mounting on the back of the enclosure. This allows it to be mounted to any hard and sturdy object like a pole or a concrete wall, for example. Aside from that, it can keep a network log for any automobile that has been in service for over a minute. Not to mention that it also comes with an ultrasonic sensor that can detect objects up to 15 feet. So I'm going to be demonstrating the functions on how this model is meant to be used. So I'm just going to scan right in front of the ultrasonic sensor. And as you can see, the uptimer is incrementing upward. And it'll just continuing to go upward and upward. 10, 11, 12, 13, it'll just keep going up and up until I step out away from the sensors. And from there, it resets it all the way back to 0. Now, if it's been incrementing for over a minute, and once I step away from the sensor, over a minute, and if it's connected to the internet via our Ethernet port, it would keep track of that minute, and it would be on the network page, which you don't have to download any other service or anything like that. You can just type in the MAC address and it will take you to the web page where you can keep track of how long each car has been in service. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware aspects of this model. As you can see, it is a tough aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coated casing. The display size is 6 inches that can be viewed up to 300 feet. The number of digits it contains is 4 digits that are sunlight resistant and displays a grand total of 90 hours and 59 minutes. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC 3-prong 6 feet cord that is wired directly into the enclosure, as you can see in the bottom right hand side. And as for our accessories, we have our ultrasonic sensor that can sense everything in front of it for up to 15 feet or less. For mounting, like I said before, and this is the unique aspect of our model, it is a C-channel mounting, and that allows it to mount to any sturdy object such as poles or stone walls or other sturdy objects. And lastly, for connections, we have our RJ45 connector that is located on the left side of the enclosure. It allows you to connect to the internet and lets you log how long the car has been in service for. And after it goes by for a minute, it will log that record into the web page. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-60T-UP-TERM-BAY uptimer with C-channel mounting and ultrasonic sensor. Thanks for watching.